Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a Pizza Hut style salad that's creamy, crunchy and loaded with fresh ingredients. Whether it's a family gathering or just a treat for yourself, this salad is sure to be a hit. First, we will prepare the croutons. For this you have to take 4 slices of bread, remove the edges and cut them into small pieces. Transfer the bread pieces onto a baking tray and drizzle olive oil over the bread cubes. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 9 minutes until crispy and golden. Once they are prepared, set them aside. As you can see in the video, these croutons turn out really crispy. Now moving on to the salad dressings. For the first dressing, combine 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice or water. Mix everything well together until it's smooth and creamy. Your first dressing is ready. Set the dressing aside. For the second dressing, whisk together half cup of fresh cream, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce and 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix until everything is well combined. Your second salad dressing is ready. Set it aside. Now it's time to assemble. In a large serving dish, add 1 cup of boiled noodles, 1 cup of boiled macaronis, 1 cup of boiled potatoes, 1 cup of chopped apples, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 cup of chopped cucumber, 3/4 cup of chopped tomatoes and 1 cup of chopped bell peppers. Next, toss in 1 cup of boiled corn and 1 cup of de-seeded grapes. Now finally, pour in both the dressings. And a splash of pineapple juice, that is around 2 tablespoons for that extra tropical touch. Mix everything together thoroughly. Finally, just before serving, top with crispy croutons for that perfect crunch. And there you have it, a fresh, creamy and satisfying Pizza Hut style salad. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.